Hello and welcome to this presentation on Omron's airflow and pressure sensors. My name is Cary Horan and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Sensors and Modules at Omron. I have worked at Omron for the past year and a half and have been involved in the manufacturing industry for the past 7 years. This presentation will discuss the Omron D6F flow sensors, specifically in their use for medical ventilator applications. For this presentation, we will go over the flow sensor products that Omron has to offer, as well as go over Omron's sensor advantages, including the advantages in accuracy, temperature compensation, stabilization, and dust management. The Omron D6F series covers several types of air measurement applications. Each of the sensors we offer is equipped with Omron's own MEMS chip, developed in the Omron factories. For airflow sensors, we have several different sensor types available, measuring either air or nitrogen, or different natural gases. The Omron sensors offer a wide range of products, covering from low flow applications down to a fraction of a liter per minute, up to 70 liters per minute of direct airflow. Omron's differential pressure sensors can also measure, through bypass connections, airflow rates of up to 200 liters per minute. Airflow velocity sensors measure air velocity as it passes over the sensor, versus airflow sensors which have air running directly through the sensor. The airflow velocity sensor is designed to be mounted in open air applications. We also offer the differential pressure sensor, measuring plus or minus 500 pascals. These sensors, while not directly related to airflow, can be used in various airflow applications, such as a ventilator. The Omron D6T series offers several different product advantages over its competition. The sensor is accurate, providing data readings at plus or minus 3% real data accuracy. Patented Omron technology allows for the sensor to offer temperature compensation in various applications. The mesh structure and the orifice structure of the sensor openings allow for stabilization of turbulence and pulse air. And finally, Omron's patented dust separation structure allows for easy dust management, ensuring that the Omron chipset does not get contaminated in dusty environments. Omron has worked hard to ensure that the D6F airflow sensor series is highly accurate. Omron understands that in sensitive applications, such as a medical ventilator, low noise and high accuracy are highly important characteristics for a sensor to have. Omron's own ASIC chip allows for this sort of ability, as well as linear compensation to increase accuracy. As you can see in the chart below, measurements taken at varying different volumes from 4 to 20 liters per minute offer highly accurate readings with low noise, so that data can be easily discerned. Omron understands that in situations where temperature variance can occur, compensation is an important quality for a sensor to have. Through Omron's unique patented technology, we have ensured that compensation is possible. In fact, beyond the factory settings, it is possible for customers to improve the factory settings through calibration done in their own setup. As you can see in the charts below, without compensation, it is difficult to discern the flow rate of the application. However, with Omron's unique compensation circuit, we're able to get better readings and lower noise so that data can be easily discerned. Thirdly, Omron offers advantages in stabilization. In any application with airflow, it's possible that airflow is not always at a consistent rate throughout the lifetime of the product. High turbulence and high pulsing could potentially damage the internal structure of a sensor or other components within the system. However, Omron's mesh and orifice structures help to stabilize this turbulence and pulsing air. The mesh structure allows for stabilization of the turbulence as it may flow through the sensor. As you can see in the diagram, a series of wire mesh rings help to stabilize this air and ensure that the wind is being drifted at a constant rate. The orifice structure at either end of the sensor helps to stabilize the pulse air. Without the orifice, we have a very unsteady flow and could potentially compromise the data that's being read by the sensor or the airflow supply into the rest of the system. Lastly, Omron again offers its unique design to effectively manage dust and contaminants. For many applications, particularly those in the medical field, such as an air ventilator, the cleanliness of the air supply is key to ensure that a device is working properly. Omron's patented dust separation flow path design protects internal components such as the MEMS chip and other components within the system from being contaminated by dust or other particles that may enter the system. Any particle under 2 microns is actually reduced to 1 of every 200 particles versus other technology that may not be using this same patented technology. This way, the chances of the internals of the product getting contaminated is greatly reduced. Omron offers a wide variety of products within the D6F series. Because of this, the D6F series sensors can be used in several different parts of a single application, such as a medical ventilator. In the diagram below, we've demonstrated how this can work using basic functions of where products will go within the ventilator. The Omron flow sensors, or differential pressure sensors, can be used to measure the airflow input into the ventilator at position A, or the airflow coming out of the ventilator at position B. The sensors can also be used outside the ventilator, measuring the airflow between the ventilator and the human at position C. Beyond airflow and differential pressure sensors, we also offer gauge pressure sensors that can be used to measure airflow at the input level of the ventilator, shown at position D. Thank you for your time in listening to this presentation. If you'd like to stay in touch with Omron Electronic Components or see a line of our other products, you can visit us online at components.omron.com, where you can sign up for our monthly new product newsletter. You can also email us at components@omron.com. Be sure to follow our LinkedIn and YouTube accounts, where we post new information on all of our products.